Sri Guru Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Hitam Tam Nishajitam Sadaitam Sabadhutam Parijana Sajitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Pada Sahagana Lalita Shakhatamischa Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Question. Madhavi Dasi. Krishna knows everything. Why he sent to me trials, which I cannot to overcome? I know that we have free will in this way. I think that he sent and looks what I will do. But if he knows everything, why he sent to me situation? In this, the English is not okay. In this situation, which I cannot to overcome and choose right way, right path of Bhagavatam, and he knows it in advance. First of all, we have to know Krishna gives us free will, and Krishna never interfere with our free will. Also give us intelligence. Question is this: we should apply our intelligence according to the association of intelligent person. The most intelligent person is devotional person, means devotees. Devotees is most intellectual person. Therefore, our previous teachers say root of our devotion is the association of devotees. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool hoy sadhu sangha. So, sangha means whatever they say, that we have to follow. It is not like that. It is not like that. So we have to follow a little bit and ignore that little bit. It's not like that. You have to follow completely. Then we can, we have no chance to misuse our free will. This is the intellectual way to handle here in the material world. Each steps, if you want to handle properly, you have to go through the experience, devotees, association. Otherwise, as soon as we become free from all association, then we will misuse our free will, because our body always, our body, mind, intelligence always thinking about material enjoyment. This is Bhogabhumi, enjoyment land for enjoyment. So whatever enjoyment, material enjoyment we have chance to get, always will jump over that. But pure devotees, association, they are always giving us proper instruction, which is give us the light. Light means alo, bright path. Otherwise, we will be in dark and we don't know where to go. Think about it. Gurudev, please accept my humble obedient path. All glories to all Guru Varga. 2 questions from Ananga Manjari from Bladabhisto. I don't know. Bladabhisto. What is this? Bladabhisto. When we perform our bhajan and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which mantra should be recited at the end of each round, like a Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya, whom should we glorify, whom should we think of? Each round when we chant, better to chant Krishna Namastaka any slok, Mahaprabhu Sikshastaka slok, any slok. Better to chant this Sudhitashrita Janarti Rashe Ramma Chidikhano Shuka Sarupine Nama Gokula Mahatsavayati Krishna Purna Bapurusha Namo Namah. That, if not any Sikshastaka slok, each round finish one sloka. Chetu Dwarapanamarijanam Bhava Mahadavagan Nirvapana. That sloka. Annam Namakari Bahudani Jasarabha Shakti Tattarpita Niyamita Smaranena Kalayatadrish. All the eight texts Mahaprabhu composed for chantings. Better for us to chant this sloka. If we are not able to remember all the sloka, whatever our Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj says, that we follow. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Panchatattva. But my spiritual master says, better to chant Sikshastaka and Krishna Namastaka sloka. In which situation Krishna's peacock feather lean toward right and left side? What kind of mood of his does it indicate? For example, if the feather leans to the right side, then he is more inclined towards Chandravali. And if does it the left towards Radha. Is the word Radha written on the feather? Suk and Shari debate, they say. The Radha name is written there, but I don't know. Suk and Shari, the 2 parrot. There, the Shari say, there is writing the Radha. Actually, towards right side Chandravali, left side Radha. Actually, always Krishna's feather, always peacock feather. I never saw left side, then on the right side, like this. Anyway, different people, different way, they are Narayana calls to block this. I cannot see anything. Huh? So there is many questions. Madhavi Dashi. Could you please block him? Block. Otherwise, she's always calling and disturbing. I'm not attending phone, but block. That's all. No more call, huh? Question by Madhavi Dashi from. Huh? Who is the Madhavi Dashi from Ukraine? Dear Gurudev. Oh, the same I answer, huh? Then I answer it. Question by Joy Bhakti Devi. Dear Maharaj, during Japa, if I meditate on Mahaprabhu, does it mean that I am also meditating on Radha Krishna? Yes. Mahaprabhu is combined form of Radha Krishna. So it's Krishna, but with the mood and form of Radharani. Or should I meditate separately on each of their pastime? As you like. Separately you can sing. At least your mind should engage with Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu. Is it okay to chant japa while watching some Krishna Lila on TV? Anyway, look, depends on you. If your mind not able to concentrate towards Radha Krishna, then you can watch Krishna's Lila and chant. But it is better for us to spontaneous thinking about Radha Krishna's pastime and chanting is better. Like swimming, if you want to learn, if you just whole life you need one learner. If you want coach always in swimming, it's not proper way to learn swimming. We have to swim without coach, right? So here TV Krishna Lila is like a coach. So think about it. Spontaneous, if you just think about practice, then one day it will stable in your system. Then what to do? Damodar, who can send us? Damodar Prabhu from Mumbai, he wrote a very nice fact. Amazing true story about a man reincarnating as a dog. This day after his daily Tulsi Parikrama, Srila Gurudev often tells visiting devotees that this human birth is very rare. It is not sure that we will again get it. Therefore, we should worship the Supreme Lord now without delay and attain the Lord's full mercy. I can still hear it ringing in my ears. It's powerful now. Guru Maharaja sometimes, Guru Maharaja is Bhakti Vallabh Goswami. Guru Maharaja sometimes recounted the following incident. that shows that the soul does not die at death, and that if the soul does not attain the spiritual realm, or she reincarnates according to past deeds, even in other species. The people mentioned are known to him, and the story was published in the local press. More than 30 years ago, in Gwalpada, a town in Assam, India, a poor man was in need of a large sum of money for the marriage of his daughter. For marriage of his daughter. And he saw no other way. He went to a rich landlord and asked him for financial help. The landlord was happy to receive him and at once gave him the big sum of money that he required. The landlord knew that the poor man would not be able to repay the money and said that he need not return it. He did not return it. Nevertheless, the poor man, nevertheless, the poor man promised that he will repay him 10 years after his daughter's marriage. The poor man died. He had never mentioned to anybody that he got the dowry from the landlord, nor did the landlord even mention it to anyone. After another 5 years, the late poor man's son had earned a lot of money. One day he had a dream in which his father approached him for help. You must save me. Please borrow money from the landlord without returning it. And have thus taken birth in his house as a dog. Now you have earned money. Please pay back the exact sum. Then I will be freed from this terrible condition. My Gurudev also used to say, if you, even this temple, not without seva, without paying anything, just like taking advantage to take prasadam or sleeping here. So, whoever giving donation, in order to pay our debt, we have to take birth in that donor home. Donor house as a billi kutta, means cats and dogs, to pay off that money. Even my grandfather also says, you should not take anything from temple. Why? Because all money is like a poison here. If you are not doing enough seva, it will be poison for you. Seva means not only physical seva, it's actually financial seva, physical seva, mental seva, chanting seva. So we are renounced, we don't have financial ability, we're collecting donation, but how to repay all our debt towards donor? Through chanting, sincerely serving to deities, to Guru, Vaishnava, that way. Anyway, my Gurudev also used to say something. Now you have earned money, please pay back the exact sum, then I will be freed from this terrible condition. The son was very much perturbed and told the story to his mother. She sent him to the said landlord. The son asked the landlord whether his father had ever borrowed money from him, but the landlord humbly denied. Is there a dog in your house? He then asked the landlord. The landlord called out his dog. When the dog saw his son, he came running happily and tears started to pour, my God, out of his eyes, my God. The landlord was surprised to see this because usually the dog bark at any unknown person. The poor man's son then spoke strongly to the landlord. Listen, I know that my father received money from you. I appreciate your kindness, but it is a very urgent matter that I must pay back the exact sum to you. I have come for this purpose only. The landlord then accepted the same sum of money. When the poor man's son returned home, the dog followed him, although he never went away from his master before. The landlord called him back repeatedly, but the dog did not return. After the dog had arrived at his former home, his former wife bathed him with great affection. She then cooked his favorite meal and served it to him on the best plate. The whole family took their meal together. That night the dog passed away. No. Very nice story, huh? Yeah, I read before, but before today, I read in front of everyone. So look, reincarnation exists. So we have to deliver ourselves from this life, better for us to know. How? To chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra without offenses. Without offenses is very nice word, but follow is very hard. Really hard. So we read yesterday some this coughing trouble make me tired. Aha! When this song is written in Maithil language, and actually Vidyapati, before all the poem written, Vidyapati, Bodu Chandidas, they used to write always in Maithil language. Ta talla sai kato bari bindu sama. That language is actually Maithil language. It is also Pahile ho rago nayana bhange bhela anudina badala abudina gela no saramona no ham ramoni. That we read yesterday. So here is a aha. Aha means some expression of happiness. Oh, at the time of Purva Raga, before the time of meeting, Milana. Milana means meeting. The sentiment known as Raga arises from the meeting of each other eyes. The Raga increased. Raga increased and increased, but find no limit. You can see. Raga means Raga means spontaneous love. This Raga arise means spontaneous love arise. Then eyes amongst each other increase and find no limit. The Raga is born from both of our nature. it is known as Ramana. Krishna is the cause of that raga. Neither is it that I, who am the Ramani, in the cause of that raga. The raga that has arisen from our seeing each other is the condition of our mind. In other words, by becoming Kupit, it has crushed our mind together, making them one. Now, at the time of separation, Vichcheda Shamaya, Vichcheda means separation. Time of separation. O Sakhi, even if Krishna has forgotten all of these pastimes of divine love, then explain to him in this way, tell him, we did not find out any messenger at the time of our meeting, or we did not request anybody. The 5 arrows of Ananga that I already explained yesterday. 5 arrows, Rup, Ras, Sabda, Gandha, Sparsha. 5 arrows were our mediator who brought us together. Then Rup, Ras means, I think all of you know, form, mellow, Ras means, mellow, Rup, Ras, Shabda, sound, beautiful sound. Rup, Ras, Sabda, Gandha, smell, Sparsha, touch. Both are very attractive. These 5 are very attractive. These 5 Rasa, condensed form, is one woman body. The 5 arrows of Ananga were our mediator who brought us together. Then again, now at the time of separation, that raga has turned into viraga. Viraga, meaning that it has become a very special type of raga, or it has been born due to separation. Visishta raga, or vichcheda gata raga. Or it has taken the form of adhirudo bhava. O Sakhi, you are acting as the messenger, Duti, in the divine love of glorious man. This is what is observed in form and customs. সুপুরুষের প্রেমে এই রীতি সর্বত্র দেখি। তাৎপর্য এই যে সম্ভবকালে রাগ যেমন অনঙ্গরূপে মধ্যস্থ, বিপ্লম্বকালে বা সেই রূপে অধীরূঢ় ভাবাপন্না দুটি হইয়া প্রেমবিলাস বিবর্তে, অর্থাৎ বিপ্লম্বে সম্যক স্ফূর্তি কার্যে দ্যুতিস্বরূপ হইলে তাহাতে শ্রীমতী সখী বলিয়া সম্বোধন করতে এই কথাটি বলিতেছেন। মূল তাৎপর্য এই যে প্রেমবিলাস সম্ভোগে যেরূপ আনন্দ বিপ্রলম্ব সেই রূপ বিশেষত বিপ্রলম্বে সেবা। You can see this Vaishnava appearance and disappearance. Appearance, we say Mahotsav. Disappearance also is a Mahotsav. Viraha Mahotsav. Avirbhav Mahotsav. It's a rag. No? So, devotional separation, union, both are happy. Then let me translate it. The purport is as follows. At the time of the meeting, Milano, the raga took on the form of Ananga as the mediator. Now, at the time of separation, Vipralambha, similarly the raga has taken on that form of a messenger in Adhirura Bhava, or in other word, when the Raga become the messenger who manifested meeting in separation, aka Premo, as known as Premo Vilas Vivarta. Then Srimati called that her Shakti. This is what has been said. The main purport is as follows. Just as there is bliss in meeting during the divine loving pastime, there is that same bliss in separation. Let me explain. Divine loving pastime, whatever, feeling this, there is that same feeling, the same type of bliss in separation also. Viraha milan. Therefore, our swing festival, meaning of the swing festival like that. And this is a very deep philosophy. It's not easy to understand with our limited capacity. Anyway, whatever purport he said, the main purport is as follows. Just as there is bliss in meeting during the divine loving pastime, there is that same bliss in separation. Again I am telling you that. Try to understand. Material, when you're meeting, we are love, but when you're leaving, we feel separation. Like today, I heard from Sham that as soon as Chitra reached, her mother embraced and cried. Yeah, understand? Huh? So much tear. Chitra reached in Mumbai. Her mother is crying. Plaka, plaka, plaka. Crying. This is a million separation. Before she was not crying. Anyway, this is just a tiny bit way you can realize. Milan, separation. Milan means meeting amongst each other. Also, joy, blissful, feeling bliss. Separation also feel bliss. When it will come. That is the criteria. That is the charisma of our devotional practice. As soon as we establish the relation, then we can feel it, what we are talking about. No relation, no separation. A relation will establish through service. No service, no relation, no separation. No separation, no vipralambha. That's finished. I think you understand, all of you. So, Sarpe Rajju Bhramer Nare Nay, Tamaladite Krishna Brahmajanita Vivarta Bhavapanna Aridra Mahabhavrup Akbar Sambhagarudaya Hoy. Tamal, one tree named Tamal. Right? Anyway. The main purport is as follows. Just as there is bliss in meeting during the divine loving pastime, there is that same bliss in separation, especially in separation due to the reaching the heights of service, losing oneself in Krishna. One achieves a state of meeting in separation. For example, characterized by mistaking a tamala tree. Krishna, most of the in Vrindavan, tamal tree was auspicious because Krishna used to manifest pastime under the tree shade, under the tamal tree shade. The tamal tree, like a Vamshidas Babaji, he always think, as soon as he looked In Bengal, he's in Bengal. As soon as you look, banyan tree, bought a bhiksha. Banyan means bought a bhiksha. He is thinking these pastimes about how Krishna playing flute and sitting on the banshis, sitting on the banyan tree and playing flute. that mind remember that. So tamala tree to be Krishna, similar to how someone mistakes a snake to be a rope. In dark it is called Bhrom, Pramad, Karanapata, Vipralipsa. 4 types of mistake. The Bhrom. But this same feeling. It is rope, but feeling snake. So Mahaprabhu, when he was in Gambhira, sometime he is going out of Gambhira, and tree he looked, Krishna is there, embracing that Krishna not there. Krishna is everywhere. Because Krishna, he is Krishna, but with the mood of Radharani. So Radharani, separation, how he is to feel, that he is showing us. This state is known as Vivarta Janito Adhiruda Mahabhava. Such type of mood. And this type of meeting is called separation. This type of meeting is called separation. Always look Krishna, but Krishna not there. But Krishna always in the heart of pure devotees. Kaha Krishna Pananad Murali Bodan Kaha Jao Kaha Pao Brajendra Nanda. This is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Pahile means first of all. Raga, Purva Raga. Pratima Sangamat Purva Darshana Shravanadija Tayorumni Prati Pragai Purva Raga Shauchati Nayana Bhangi Parashpara Darshan Vinimaya Nayana Bhangi Artat অপাঙ্গ দর্শনে পরস্পরের চিত্তবৃত্তি সংযোজক ইঙ্গিতে অনুদৃঢ় বাড়ল দিন দিন বৃদ্ধি পাইতে লাগিল দিনে দিনে বৃদ্ধি পাইল Actually this is the very nice expression, Dine dine vidhi ho. And there is a Kartik Kirtan. Day by day it will increase. Separation will increase. You can see who is highly realized soul. They are not able to speak. As soon as they want to speak, they are always full of tears. They are crying because they are able to see the past time while they are speaking. They can see they are crying in front of everyone. I saw my spiritual master this several times. He's speaking, and then he's crying, sometimes laughing. In that way, in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math in 1991, annual festival, month of January month, the 8 p.m. he started to speak according to the request of Bhakti Tirtha Goswami. There are so many So many other senior sannyasis also. But Gurudev was senior most, therefore he gave him chance to, he allowed him to speak first. 8 o'clock he started speaking, and 11:30 Tirtha Goswami Maharaj is showing me the watch. Look, the time. Because Tirtha Goswami Maharaj is sitting just beside our Gurudev, but he is not able to push him because this is not proper for him. He is ordered me to push him. Now 11, but that day he is speaking Harikatha, 1991, Harikatha, and when Mahaprabhu taking Shanati, that day subject matter was Sankirtana Kalu Parama Upaya. In this iron age, Sankirtan is the ultimate path to deliver us from this miserable mundane world. That is the subject. So therefore, naturally, how Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu meeting each other and they manifest Sankirtan. He tried to explain. While he is explaining, meeting very joyfully, laughing manner, how they are embracing each other, rolling on the ground, that is smiling, laughing. When Mahaprabhu taking sannyas, he is crying. A real manner, it is tear drop on it. So therefore I am just trying to say, if this high class devotee, they are not able to describe properly high topics in front of public, mostly they are crying. They are not able to good speaker also. This orator, if you want to be orator, you have to be always speak attractive manner for public satisfaction. But pure devotee always in front of their eyes appear Lord pastimes. Therefore they are not able to be good speaker. Let us read what our Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur explained in Anubhashya. Purva Raga, the love, attachment and affection that comes out between the lover and beloved before actually meeting, which is born from seeing and hearing about each other. Nayana Bhange. Nayana Bhanga means eyes to eyes, that exchange vision. Exchanges glances between each other. Through expression of the eyes, meaning that by seeing each other form that which connect their consciousness by signal. Anudino Badlahe means there is a Anudino Badala. Anudin means begin to increase day by day. Anudin began to increase day by day. Abodhina Gela, there was no limit. Abodhi means no limit. Day by day there was increase and no limit. This is Krishna's unlimited. In mature and able love, Praudo Samartharati, Paudo Samartharati, the 10th stage of contemplation, awaking anxiety, thinness, bodily uncleanliness, blubbering, sickness, madness, bewilderedness and death. That's 10th. Paulo Samartha Rodita Lalosha. Prabhupada se pehले. Samartha. This is Paulo Samartha Rodita. This is 10th stage of contemplation. The awakening anxiety. Lalosha Ratrite, Samartha Ratite, Lalosha, Udbe, anxiety. Tanava, Jadata, Prakrata, Vyadhi, Unmad, Moho, Mrittu, Arthat, Chintat, Jagar, Udbe. Anyway, there's too many. Let me read. In consistent there's a stain, madness with lamentation. In normal love, Samartha-rati, Sadharani-rati, the 16 states, meaning the combination of Paulo Samartha-rati and Samanjasya-rati. Samanjasya means adjustment. So that Ramana Krishna Hamo, I, Ramana Krishna Hamo, I, the Ramani, Sri Radhika, neither of us are the cause, and there is no difference between us. That I explained before. Mahabhava, knowing this, Kupit crossed together the mind of the Ramana and the Ramani. Premo Kahini, all of the pastimes of divine love. Premo Kahini, all of the pastimes of divine love. Kanu Thane Thame, at Krishna or near Krishna. Kanu Thane. Kanu Thane. Yeah. ए सखी से सब प्रेम कहानी कानो ठामे कहबी बिछुल जानी at Krishna or near Krishna. Kahabi means you will tell. Bichurala is he has forgotten. Actually this is Krishna. Krishna is not coming according to his promise. He will come down here. So there is explanation in the eyes of Acharya. When crow going towards Mathura, Radharani says, "Hey crow, please tell my dear beloved, when he will come back to Vrindavan. When he will come back to Vrindavan, if he doesn't want to come, he has no desire to come, why he give me orgol? Orgol means one expectation. Orgol actually means sickle, iron chain. But here should be proper English is expectation. He will come back. I am waiting for that. Sometimes I am just explaining. Vishnu Priya separation. If you just compare it, Radharani has hope Krishna may come back. Vishnu has no hope. Right? But in the devotion, we know that Krishna, actually Mahaprabhu gave him a murti and he accepts all her offering every day. We can say in spirit always Mahaprabhu is Vishnu. Like Raghunath Das Goswami when he arranged the Chudadodi Mahotsav, flat rice, yogurt, fruits Mahotsav, his festival. The Nityananda Prabhu offered, in the glance of Nityananda Prabhu, Mahaprabhu came. In his Chaitanya Charitamrita says Avesh. Avesh means in spirit. He came in spirit. So devotion like that. But outwardly, if you look, Vishnu Priya separation more than Radharani. But if you internally look, Radharani separation also more than Vishnu Priya. Why? Vishnu Priya knew that he's not coming back anymore. He's giving to the people. Radharani, she is always expecting coming back. When she comes. Therefore, when crow going towards Mathura, Radharani explained, "Hey crow, could you please convey the message to my beloved? When I am waiting for him here in Vrindavan, so when he coming back, if he has desire not to come back, why he give me that expectation he is coming back?" He used the orgol. In a Bengali language, it's orgol. Why he give me the orgol? That way. So, na khojulu duti, na khojulu an, na khojulu. এখানে না খোঁজিলু দুটি ন খোঁজিলু আন means Duti, the mediator who brings the lover and the beloved together to meet at one place. Duti. We can say in Bengali Ghatok. We arranging marriage. Ghatok, Duti. There are two types of Duti. Shayana Duti, Apato Duti. Shayana Duti are the eyes glance, kataksha, and sound of the flute, bansi, dhani. While the apataduti are vira, brinda, viraduti, brindaduti, vira, brinda, 108 chanting beats. That I explained. Vira, Brinda, Purnamasi, Gopeshwara. Last 4 beats, past 8 beats. First 8 beats, 8 Sokhis, then 64 beats, their assistant Gopis, then 32 beats, there is Gopas, and then that's 8, 64, 72 or 32, 104. Then 4 beats are Biro, Brinda, Purnamasi, Gopeshwar. The Biro Duti, Brinda Duti. Biro, Brinda, Apataduti are Biro, Brinda. And others in normal Duti. Sadharana Duti. Is it the Silpa Karani, female artistian? Daiva Gyana, female fortune teller. Lingini, female ascetic, and so on. such type of. No conjulano ano. We did not. No khojulu duti, no khojulu ano. We did not request or search out for anybody else. Then du hunko milone modhu pancho mano. Du hunko means Sri Radha and Krishna, these two people, two persons, Milana meeting of one another. Madhya Panchamana, 5 arrows born on the side. This is how I want to explain. Up now, Sahi that Raga. Up Sahi Viraga, Tuhu Velis Duti. Viraga, Adhiruda, Mahabhava in separation. Adhiruda. Tuhu Veli Duti. Tuhu means you, Veli, have become Supurukha. Supurusha. Purusha means supreme lover, Uttama Nayaka. And Premki. Premki means of love. Premki. Prem is love, love. Oi jano riti. In this manner. That is the word by word translation. Then, just to think about Anubhashya, what is it? O king or poet. We have poet is Rai Ramananda. I'm just going to know. There's actually, that is the explanation. Let me write, actually here Srila Prabhupada explained like that. So, Ujjal Nilmani, one sloka, Radhaya Bhavatascha Chitta Jatuni Sadai Vilapa Trumad Junjan Madi Junjan Nikunja Kunja Rupeta Nirdhuto Bhedo Brahman Chitraya Shayamanambara Anjaya Diho Brahmandanamaya Dari Bhorvina Rago Hingulo Bhare Shingaro Karudduti. He Govardhan Parvat Nikunjavashi Kaviraj Shingar Shilpa Shastra Nipun Vidhata Radhika O tomar चित्तलक्षा के सत्य के विकार रूप धर्म द्वारा द्रवीभूत करो तो भेद भ्रम दूर करिया भेद भ्रम दूर करिया ब्रह्मांड मध्य नवराग हिंगुलो द्वारा स्वयं जगत आश्चर्य संबंधनार्थ उभयर से चित्तद्वय को अतिशय रंजित करिया आছেন. There is writing in that way, they are saying that how they manifest first time in Govardhan Hill. Let me write this translation of the English. O king of the poet who stay in the groves of Govardhan Hill, you are like the elephant who is skilled in the scripture that deal with the art of divine love. Through the function of the virtuous internal devotional sentiments, you have melted the red eye of both of your and Radhika's consciousness. You had made the misconception of disunity go far away. In order to increase an amazement of the world, you have beautifully colored both of your consciousness with the vermilion of new love and attachment and navaraga within the palace of the universe. Govardhan is a palace. Anyway, it's very, very difficult to understand for us. But really see. Then we can start tomorrow. Prabhu koye shabda bostur abodhi hei hoy. Tomar prasade hiya janil nischay. Now, this is we reach the destination. Sadhu. What we attain? That Prem Vilas Vivarta. That we have to feel. Do you have tear? No tear. No separation, no tear. We have tear. Tear for what? Tear for our lack of sense gratification. One little bit we feel that we are not able to fulfill our sense gratification and desire. We feel we are crying. That we are crying. We never ever cry for Krishna's. Therefore, we are not able to see this is Krishna. This one person, I think name is Vrindavan from Jalandhar. He asked me, 8 times we are Kartik time we are chanting 8 times. But Shastra say constantly it's going on. So why is it that? Actually, according to capacity, our Guru Varga put it there. But actually, fact is this, constantly Radha Krishna manifesting pastimes. Who is able to see it? That person can see. Who is free from all sense enjoyment object. Who establishes a relation with Radha Krishna services. Whose mind absolutely pure. Who are always thinking about how to serve. But nowadays, we can see a devotee coming with humble mood. Not everyone, most few devotees coming with humble mood, but their goal is different. Instead of serving our Guru Varga, the devotees, those devotees putting trouble in Guru Varga in various ways. Because they took initiation, not following, not chanting. When we are not chanting, such type of durbuddhi means malpractice will appear in our mind. When you have service attitude strong enough, then we should not, our mind will not take place of such type of malpractice, putting Guru Varga trouble, destroying Gurudeva's property, putting any advancement devotees quarter, whatever. So anyway, Kali Yuga, all over, we can see the hypocrisy going on. Today also, Rangodevi wrote me, very heavy, in favor of Gokulananda. If anyone do anything against him, I will be also support him for supporting him. I will put some lawyer cost I will pay. Such way he wrote me.
Does she know what happened? Does she know what has happened?
No need to specify. He's a crazy. Look, so how to put trouble? So Rangodevi also a troublemaker, looks like. So birds of same feather flock together. They're always together. They don't look. The diamond is there. They always look. Or the piece of glass. Anyway, I hope you understand.